Today we're making pizza with this rich juice, tomato juice today. So we're making pizza fully from juice. We already made some coffee or awful pizza, some cola pizza, but today it's juice. It's juice today. So 120 grams of juice as always, and we will make sauce from juice too. But right now let's make pizza dough. So it's already contains some salt, so we don't need anything, just tiny bit of oil and some, of course, flour. 180 grams of flour, classic Napoli recipe. Yeah, some dry yeast, yeah, and spoon. Mix it up, everything, mix up. Just, you see, beautiful dough. It's red, it tastes like tomatoes, it smells like tomatoes. So let's make tomato sauce from this juice. Okay, it's easy. We're taking some juice and basically this it. Yeah, we need saucepan, but I don't have any saucepan, so I got normal pan, but who cares? Okay, let's go and make some sauce. So it's already contains some salt, so we don't need anything. We just, maybe some garlic powder. Garlic powder is nice. Simmer a little bit, some basil leaves. Just awesome Italian sauce, classic sauce. Okay, so my tomato dough is ready. Actually, let's make pizza ball from it and cover it with some oil. Look, it's smooth, it's nice. Okay, with some oil for 1 hour more. Okay, it's in 1 hour. You see, beautiful, really soft, nice dough. Let's make it Napoli style. Some cool pizza from it. So okay, as I promised, we're using sauce from juice, some cheese, and go to the oven and out from the oven in 10 minutes. Let's see what will happen now. Oh, beautiful, it looks nice with color so cool. It's a very beautiful pizza. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, beautiful crust. So let's try out.
This one is nice. There's little tomato. Oh my god. Guys, this is sauce like classic Italian tomato sauce, but just better. You definitely should try to make pizza from the juice like me, or just see my other videos with like cola margarita recipes. See you guys.